Okay, so you can think about the title. The title will be Safety Dashboard, Designing Safety Dashboard. This is clear to all of you? There will be the title. So designing safety dashboard. So you please write down the basic concept of designing safety dashboard. So now you will take the note, okay? So I am requesting all of you, please take the note. This is the basic concept. Are you ready? Are you ready for dictation?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please you write, designing a safety dashboard is an essential step in transforming safety-related data into meaningful insights that support decision-making, risk management, and organizational safety culture. A well-designed safety dashboard
Can you repeat once again, sir?
a well-designed
Earlier, sir. Last you said. Can you
okay,
repeat once again?
okay, don't worry, Ujjwal, I will repeat the para, okay? So now whatever I am telling, so please you write down. A well-designed safety dashboard acts as a central platform where key safety indicators are visually presented in a clear and actionable manner. Okay, Ujjwal, so you follow. I repeat, designing a safety dashboard is an essential step in transforming safety-related data into meaningful insights that support decision-making, risk management, and organizational safety culture. Full stop. A well-designed safety dashboard acts as a central platform where key safety indicators are visually presented in a clear and actionable manner. So, Ujjwal, now you could follow?
Yeah, sir. Clear.
Okay. Now the para. The first step in designing a safety dashboard is identifying the purpose and users. Full stop. The dashboard should be aligned with organizational safety goals and tailored to the needs of different stakeholders, such as safety officers, managers, and executives. Full stop. For example, top management may require high-level indicators like overall incident rates, while supervisors may need detailed data on specific hazards or departments. I repeat, please you follow. The first step in designing a safety dashboard is identifying the purpose and users. The dashboard should be aligned with organizational safety goals and tailored to the needs of different stakeholders, such as safety officers, managers, and executives. For example, top management may require high-level indicators like overall incident rates, while supervisors may need detailed data on specific hazards or departments. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to the next para. Next, selecting appropriate key performance indicators in bracket capital KPI and with small s, KPIs, bracket close, is crucial. Full stop. These typically include lagging indicators such as accident frequency rate, comma, lost time injuries, comma, and severity rate, comma, as well as leading indicators like safety audits conducted, comma, near miss reports, comma, and training participation. Full stop. A balanced combination ensures both reactive and proactive safety management. I repeat. Next, selecting appropriate key performance indicators within bracket KPIs is crucial. These typically include lagging indicators such as accident frequency rate, comma, lost time injuries, and severity rate, as well as leading indicators like safety audits conducted, near miss reports, and training participation. A balanced combination ensures both reactive and proactive safety management. Now you take another paragraph. Data visualization techniques play a central role in dashboard design, full stop. Line charts can be used to show trends over time, comma, bar charts to compare departments or types of incidents, comma, pie charts to represent proportions, and heat maps to identify high-risk zones. Full stop. The choice of visualization should focus on clarity and ease of interpretation rather than complexity. I repeat, data visualization techniques play a central role in dashboard design. Line charts can be used to show trends over time, bar charts to compare departments or types of incidents, pie charts to represent proportions, and heat maps to identify high-risk zones. The choice of visualization should focus on clarity and ease of interpretation rather than complexity. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next para. Another important aspect is real-time or periodic data updating. Full stop. A dynamic dashboard that updates regularly ensures that decision makers have access to the most current safety information. Full stop. This is particularly important in industrial environments where conditions can change rapidly. I repeat, another important aspect is real-time or periodic data updating. A dynamic dashboard that updates regularly ensures that decision makers have access to the most current safety information. This is particularly important in industrial environments where conditions can change rapidly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now the para. The dashboard should also emphasize simplicity and clarity. Full stop. Overloading the dashboard with too many indicators or visuals can create confusion. Full stop. Effective use of colors, labels, and layout helps users quickly identify critical issues. Full stop. For instance, a rate can indicate high risk, comma, yellow moderate risk, and green safe conditions. I repeat, the dashboard should also emphasize simplicity and clarity. Overloading the dashboard with too many indicators or visuals can create confusion. Effective use of colors, labels, and layout helps users quickly identify critical issues. For instance, red can indicate high risk, yellow moderate risk, and green safe conditions. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Next para. Integration of data sources is also essential. Safety data may come from multiple systems, such as incident reporting tools, comma, audit records, comma, and HR databases. Combining these into a unified dashboard provides a comprehensive view of safety performance. Clear?
Sir, last, please repeat last sentence.
Combining these into a unified dashboard provides a comprehensive view of safety performance.
कंप्रिहेंसिव के बाद में क्या है?
Comprehensive view of safety performance. Full stop. User interactivity enhances the effectiveness of a dashboard. Full stop. Features like filters, comma, drill down options, and clickable charts allow users to explore data in detail, such as analyzing accidents by location, comma, time or worker category. I repeat, user interactivity enhances the effectiveness of a dashboard. Features like filters, drill down options, and clickable charts allow users to explore data in detail, such as analyzing accidents by location, comma, time or worker category. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next para. Finally, continuous evaluation and improvement of the dashboard are necessary. Feedback from users should be incorporated to refine the design, comma, update KPIs, and improve usability. Full stop. As organizational needs evolve, comma, the dashboard should also adapt. I repeat, finally, continuous evaluation and improvement of the dashboard are necessary. Feedback from users should be incorporated to refine the design, update KPIs, and improve usability. As organizational needs evolve, the dashboard should also adapt. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Next para. In conclusion, designing a safety dashboard involves careful planning, comma, appropriate selection of indicators, comma, effective visualization, and user-centered design. Full stop. A well-structured dashboard not only monitors safety performance, but also promotes proactive decision making and strengthens the overall safety culture of an organization. I repeat, in conclusion, designing a safety dashboard involves careful planning, appropriate selection of indicators, effective visualization, and user-centered design. A well-structured dashboard not only monitors safety performance, but also promotes proactive decision making and strengthens the overall safety culture of an organization. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I am requesting Shejal, please you read the dictation. Okay, Shejal, please start. Okay, I think Shejal has some problem. We can go to the Pritish. Are you here?
Yes, sir.
So please you read the matters.
Okay, sir. From starting, designing
Yes.
a safety dashboard is an essential step in transforming safety-related data into meaningful insights that supports decision making, risk management, and organizational safety culture. A well-designed safety dashboard acts as a central platform where key safety indicators are visually presented in a clear and actionable manner. The first step in designing a safety dashboard is identifying the purpose and users. The dashboard should be aligned with organizational safety goals and tailored to the needs of different stakeholders such as safety officers, managers, and executives. For example, top management may require high-level indicators like overall incidence rates, while supervisors may need detailed data on specific hazards or departments. Next, selecting appropriate key performance indicators (KPIs) is crucial. This typically includes lagging indicators such as accident frequency rates, lost time injuries, and severity rate, as well as leading indicators like safety audits conducted, near miss reports, and training participations. A balanced combination ensures both reactive and proactive safety management. Data visualization techniques play a central role in dashboard design. Line charts can be used to show trends over time, bar charts to compare departments or type of incidents, pie chart to represent proportions, and heat map to identify high risk zones. The choice of visualization should focus on clarity and ease of interpretation rather than complexity. Another important aspect is real-time or periodic data updating. A dynamic dashboard that updates regularly ensures that decision makers have access to the most current safety informations. This is particularly important in industrial environments where conditions can be rapidly changed, can change rapidly. The dashboard should also be emphasized simplicity and clarity. Overhauling the dashboard with too
Overloading.
many indicators.
Overloading.
Oh, sorry. Yes, I have written that. Overloading the dashboard with too many indicators or visuals can create confusions. Effective use of colors, labels, and layouts help users quickly identify critical uses. For instance,
Critical issues.
rate
Critical issues.
for critical issues. No, help users quickly identify critical issues. Uh, For instance, red can indicate high risk, yellow moderate risk, green safe conditions. Integrations for data sources is also essential. Also essential. Safety data may come from multiple systems, such as incident reporting tools, audit records, and databases combining into
And
combining
HR databases.
and
Human resource.
sir and which data?
And HR.
Oh, okay. HR.
HR
Okay.
means human resource.
Okay. And HR databases combining this into a unified dashboard provides a comprehensive view of safety performance. Users interactivity enhances the effectiveness of a dashboard. Features like filters, drill down options, and clickable charts allow users to explore data in details, such as analyzing accidents by locations, time, or workers category. Finally, continuous evaluation and improvement of the dashboard are necessary. Feedback from users should be incorporated to refine the design, update KPIs, and improve usability. As organizational need evolves, the dashboard should also adapt. In conclusion, designing a safety dashboard involves careful planning, appropriate selection of indicators, effective visualization, and user central design. A well-structured dashboard not only monitors safety performance but also promotes proactive decision making and strengthens the overall safety culture of an organization.
Thank you, British. So now I am giving you 2 minutes for rest, and after that, we will start the discussion about whatever we have written. Okay. You can take some water, 2 minutes rest. Okay. Now I am asking some questions, and please you answer. What is the primary purpose of designing safety dashboard in an organization?
To
Sir,
obtain a
primary
useful
purpose.
insight,
Yeah.
to obtain a useful insight from the safety data so that decision can be made.
Overall, for the purpose of overall monitoring of the safety performance, so that we can go inside whether where we are and what necessary steps to be taken to improve the safety. And it is also visualized for the top management for critical safety decision.
Good answer. Now the second question. Why is it important to include both leading and lagging KPIs in safety dashboard?
Actually, sir, for leading and lagging indicators, both are important, because if we are working more in leading indicators like training, inspections, audits, campaigns, surveys, so the lagging indicator will be zero. For that, if we uh, more focus on like psychological safety surveys, so it is clear thing that we are working on leading indicators, and lagging indicators is automatically getting down. For example, if any year one LTI happened or any fatal incident happened, then it is also having one analysis ki there is a problem in the safety management system. So that is why both the data is required.
Okay, so what are the lagging indicators?
Lagging means any LTI incident data, accident data. So it shows that there is a gap in overall safety management system or implementation of the safety management system. So the organization work on more on leading indicator.
Okay, so what do you mean by leading indicators?
Leading indicators means we are the for improve the safety performance. Like we are having campaign on psychological safety. So this year we have done 100% training. So our unsafe behavior is getting reduced in overall organization or overall side. So unsafe acts is reduced and overall safety performance is improved. So leading indicators is improved and lagging indicators is automatically down. So there is a triangle: unsafe acts, unsafe condition, near miss. These are the leading indicators. But LTI and the top of the this triangle is fatal and LTI. Top is fatal, second is LTI. So these are the lagging indicator. So we should work more on bottom three leading indicators. So automatically the lagging indicators is getting down or always zero.
Thank you, Akash. Leading indicators are safety audit, training participation, and
Yes.
near miss reporting. Focus on ongoing activities that can prevent accidents. These are basically the proactive measures that help identify risks before incident occur. So in safety data analysis, we will pay attention to both issues. Why dynamic dashboard is important? Who can answer?
It projects the real-time safety data, so decision
Correct.
making becomes very fast.
Very good. Very good. Okay, Shamir Kumar, now you tell what will be the contents in safety dashboard?
Safety dashboard, there are two types of contents. One is leading indicators, one is lagging indicators. So leading indicators includes the number of safety audits, number of training programs, number of training participants, the high risk job audits. High risk job audit done by the individuals, number of observations reported by the individuals, number of trainings attended by the individuals. So like this, these are the leading indicators, and lagging indicators includes the LTIFR, major incidents, uh, uh, number of first aid cases, medical treatment cases reported. So those are part of the lagging indicators. So these are the main contents of the safety dashboard.
Any other observation by anyone? What will be the contents in dashboard, safety dashboard?
In addition to this, any top 5 risks analysis or major risks or major hazards that's been reported in the month can further be added.
Why data visualization is important in designing the safety dashboard?
It helps to to interpret the data quickly and to focus on the major highlighted part uh, uh, by the persons who are reviewing it. So the focus gets concentrated very quickly. So that helps while visualization as well as decision making.
Okay. So thank you, everybody. You have tried to answer the questions. And now, again, start the discussion. Sorry, dictation. Okay. So please you write down. Data visualization plays a crucial role in developing an effective safety dashboard. Comma, especially in industrial and organizational settings where timely decision making can prevent accidents and improve overall safety culture. Now you writing one paragraph. The heading will be data visualization. Okay. Now you write. Data visualization simplifies complex safety data. Full stop. Safety data sets often include incident reports, comma, near miss records, near hyphen miss records, comma, hazard observations, and compliance indicators. When these are presented in raw tables, they are difficult to interpret. Full stop. Visual tools like bar charts, comma, line graphs, and heat maps convert this complex data into easily understandable formats. Comma, allowing even non-technical stakeholders to grasp key insights quickly. Full stop. Next para. Second, it helps in identifying patterns and trends. Full stop. A safety dashboard can visually display trends such as increasing accident rates over time, comma, frequency of specific types of injuries, or high-risk departments. For example, comma, a line graph showing monthly accident frequency can immediately highlight whether safety conditions are improving or deteriorating. Next para. Data visualization supports quick decision making. In safety management, comma, delays can be costly. Full stop. A dashboard with real-time indicators such as number of incidents today, comma, unsafe behaviors observed.
Sir, please repeat after data visualization.
Okay. Data visualization supports quick decision making. In safety management, delays can be costly. A dashboard with real-time indicators such as number of incidents today, unsafe behaviors observed. Incidents today, then comma. Unsafe behaviors observed or compliance scores enables managers to take immediate corrective action without going through detailed reports.
Sir, after unsafe behavior,
unsafe behaviors observed or compliance codes.
or codes. Enable
Enables
managers.
managers to take immediate corrective action without going through detailed reports. Next para. Data visualization enhances risk identification full stop. Visualizations like heat maps can show which locations or processes are most prone to hazards. Full stop. For instance, a factory floor map with color-coded risk zones helps safety officers prioritize inspections and interventions in high-risk areas. Next para. Data visualization improves communication and awareness. Full stop. Safety dashboards can be displayed across the organization to communicate safety performance to employees. Full stop. Visual indicators such as green in bracket safe, yellow in bracket caution, and red in bracket danger make it easier to convey messages and build a shared understanding of safety status. Next para. It supports performance monitoring and accountability. Key performance indicators in bracket KPIs such as lost time injury frequency rate, lost time injury frequency rate in bracket LTIFR, comma, number of near misses reported, comma, and safety training completion rates. Can be visually tracked. This helps management monitor performance. And hold teams accountable for safety outcomes. Full stop. Next para. Data visualization encourages proactive safety management full stop. Instead of reacting to accidents, dashboards can include leading indicators like safety audits, behavioral observations, comma, and training participation, full stop. Visualizing these helps organizations focus on prevention rather than just outcomes. Finally, data visualization improves engagement and safety culture. When employees can visually see safety performance and progress, comma, it creates awareness and motivates safer behavior. Interactive dashboards can also allow users to explore data comma, increasing involvement in safety practices. In summary, data visualization. Oh, sorry, this is the paragraph. In summary, data visualization transforms raw safety data into actionable insights, comma, enabling better understanding, comma, faster decisions, improved risk management, comma, and stronger safety culture through an effective safety dashboard. So I will request all of you to read the paragraphs, and if you have any question, you can ask me. After that, I will ask you question.
Can dashboard be prepared on Jamovi?
Sure, it's a very good question. Yes, through Jamovi, we can create the dashboard. Dashboard can be created by pivot table in MS Excel, by R programming, SPSS. So several statistical softwares are now available. So you can do. Jamovi provides you the dynamic dashboard.
So can we update data so that it can
Sure. In Jamovi, you can update the data and you will get immediately the change in your dashboard.
okay.
Okay, now you take rest for 2 minutes. After that, again, I will discuss the next question. Okay, so after the rest, now we can try to answer some of the question. The question is, how does data visualization help simplify complex safety data? Please you write the question. How does data visualization help simplify complex safety data?
So should you write it
No, you will not write, only write the question.
in this same journal, same word copy, or
Yeah, in your notebook, you can write. Next, everybody will try to answer.
Please repeat the question, sir.
How does data visualization help simplify complex safety data? Okay, now try to answer. Everybody will try.
some data
So
visualization?
Akash, please you answer. How does data visualization help?
Sir, actually, data visualization is help to simplify safety. Like we have 1,500 observation in a month or a 4,000 observation in a year. So,
Mhm.
what is our top five risk? So, if we do the data analysis and understood the top five risks, so it is visualized that in our organization, in our hazard profile, these are the top five risks. So we can work on it to overcome. So this is my understanding.
Very good answer. Anand, please do not
Yeah.
repeat the same answer. You suggest from your point of view.
Yeah, you, with the data visualization, you did not have to go into the details of the uh, data points. You will get the picture of like the which are the high risk zones or where we need to concentrate more based on the visual data, like graphs or maybe charts, a red zone area or green zone area, so like that. So data visualization helps us to areas where we can do more focus.
Okay, Anand. Now, Pritish, now you have the psychological data, everything you have. So is it possible to make data visualization based upon the results that we have given to you? Can we
Based on
make
the
some dashboard?
Yes, sir. Based on the data that we have, we can use that visualization tools, different tools available like charts, plots, and can make the visualization easy for the reviewer to interpret the data quickly. Uh, so by using these tools, visualization tools, we can make the required dashboards uh, with all the useful data in one page, so that decision makers can take the right decisions at time.
Thank you, Priti. Very good answer. Shamir, have you received the result?
Not
Hello,
yet.
Shamir Kumar.
Not yet.
Okay.
Draft I
So
have
you
received.
can tell how data visualization can help simplify
Data,
the.
yeah, data
Uh,
visualization in terms of line charts, bar charts, pie charts, heat map. It represents the data into the simply find and understandable format. So if the data is into the row table, it is difficult to understand, particularly when the large data is there, then it is difficult to understand. But the visualization, with the help of visualization, it can be simplified and understandable. That is number one. And number two, it also helps us into the comparison or identifying the proportion in different sections or the areas. So like that, data visualization is important and it's helpful.
Thank you, Shamir. Shejal, would you like to say?
So
Shejal is not available.
data visualization helps to give us a quick glimpse of all the proactive safety measures we are currently undertaking in our company, and it also helps us save time and identify repeating patterns or trends which are visible, and this helps us to derive more relatable answers for whatever problems are there in our company.
Okay, thank you, Shejal. Very good observation. Now, Ujjwal.
Data visualization helps us in creating, in gathering the useful insight from the raw data. And suppose for the, if incident is happening in an organization or in a plant, over a period of time, we can identify the trend of incidents. Even we can identify department-wise incident rates uh, through the, uh, line chart, and we can draw a heat maps to identify the high-risk areas in a particular department so that actions can be taken on those areas, and monitoring can be increased on those areas. So basically, it helps in better communication and faster decision making. Also helps in identifying the root causes, which is leading to such type of incidents or high risk areas.
Thank you, Ujjwal. Shobhijit sir, would you like to something?
Normally, we have so many people all across. So there are so much of data. So it is very difficult to sometimes visualize this and have decision making information out of this raw data. So it has to be data has to be converted into information. So once we put it in table, it gets converted into information. And but the when there is a huge data set with so many different I'm saying aspects to data, sometimes it is very difficult to analyze that and have proper understanding. So it is then when converted into different graphs, charts, so it gives a visual understanding and easy understanding of the data, raw data. Ultimately, the raw data gets converted into information, and information to visual through visual tools gets converted into charts.
Bah, very good. Um, so you have pointed out one important issue, that is the scale conversion. So can anybody tell, that is, if there is some nominal data, how can we convert it to the metric data? Can anybody tell? We have discussed this issue, so I think you can. So you may get some text data, and how can you convert the text data into metric data?
We can assign some numbers for some text like high, medium, low. We can convert it to 1, 2, 3 like that and convert into metric data.
Correct. So if we find that is our text data maintains some order, then we can assign the number. And then we can try to find out whether the given numbers are related to the total score or not. So in this manner, we can convert the text data into the metric data. Another question, when the data is in rank, rank indicates the position. And if I want to convert the rank data into metric data, then what will be our strategy?
Since it is a rank data, we get the minimum and maximum and convert into a percentile.
Correct. So if we can convert into percentile, then we can compare across the indicators. Okay. Now I am requesting all of you, please go to the Google Classroom and study the variables given by Madam. You have selected Tata Power Master. So in Tata Power Masters, you will find some of the variables. Can anybody tell?
Yes, sir. There are working hours, training score. There are downtime hours, satisfaction score, energy handled. Different variables are there.
Okay. So there are 10 variables in that data set: employee ID, department, region, working hours, safety incidents, training score, customer complaints, downtime hours, energy handled NWH, and satisfaction score. Now for the analysis part, Madam is requesting you First, you have to find out the trend. So which chart is best to analyze working hours across employees? So there are 4 data visualizations are here. Number 1, pie chart. Second, histogram. Third, line chart. Fourth is scatter plot. So now you have understood. That is, for the analysis of data, you will use the pie chart, histogram, line chart, and the scatter plot. You can use the bar chart also. Bar chart also there.
And according to the in the assignment, 3 charts need to be prepared.
Okay, so you can think about the 3 charts.
No,
One is
actually,
the
in the
line chart,
assignment
line chart,
requirement.
histogram, bar plot, as you like. Because whatever madam has written, we have to follow. The analysis must include at least 3 specific insights derived from the dataset.
So instead, 3 different charts we need to plot and create a PDF copy.
Another important part, that is, you have to write short note about the charts. Suppose you want to use the line chart, then there will be a short note on line chart, histogram, bar chart, etc.
So from when you create charts from this Jamovi app, can you visualize the data in that chart also, in the bar chart?
Sure.
So actually,
So
when we are
first you make one research question, and then you can do it. You have seen the data. So hello, Farah, are you here? Okay, in the next class, I will tell you the short description about the different charts. So that will be the next part. So first part is the dashboard, safety dashboard. I have given you dictation. Next paragraph will be the data visualization. I have given the dictation. So next dictation will be on the tools of data visualization in the next class. Okay. I think that tomorrow, one senior professor from ABBSM, he will take the class. So
What would be the topic?
the topic already given
Acha.
in the calendar.
Okay.
You go to the Google Classroom. There you can find out the topics. Go to the calendar. There you can find out.
Sir,
Hello,
it is
Farah, are
not
you
there,
here?
sir. No there, sir. It is not there, sir.
I think he will enlighten you about some statistical tools that can be used for the safety and disaster management. That is the probability and risk analysis in accidents and disasters. Very senior professor. So he will teach you. Please be present in the class. I am requesting all of you, please share with your friends about the role of RPRIT and how RPRIT functions, etc., so that we can give the data science for the executive management people. Okay. So how is the class today? This dictation is okay for you?
Yes, it was good.
Have you noted any difficulty?
No.
Okay.
This note should be part of the project.
Yeah. This note is important for the project.
So the project has to be directly sent to madam, or there would be some sort of review from RPRIT end.
First, we will review. After that, we will send it to madam for her evaluation.
Okay.
So if she will suggest something, we will try to incorporate her suggestion.
Is there any format for that? Normally project has certain formats to be presented.
General format is that the title, and the introduction, that is the rationalization of objectives, basic concept of dashboard, data visualization.
So these are part of the notes already.
Yeah. So please, you will incorporate in your own ideas. If you write only my note, then it will not be sufficient. Okay. So you try to understand the paragraphs and you will write in your own way.
Is there any
So
number of
whatever
pages expectation from the number of pages?
Madam has not written any number of pages. She has said that is the requirements that the analysis must include at least 3 specific insights derived from the data set.
Okay.
And the final assignment must be submitted as a PDF file. Students should email their completed assignment to, so Madam has written, by April 11.
That means we need to submit it beforehand to RPRIT. 11 means Saturday.
11th means Saturday. So I am requesting all of you, please you submit your report before 11 so that we can check, we can give the suggestion, and then we can send it to Madam, okay? Or we can tell you that is, you can send the report to Madam.
We will upload in our report in the Google Classroom, sir. From there, you will check.
Yeah. First, you submit your report to the Google Classroom. We will check. Today is Sunday, so by Wednesday you can submit. And I will give you the description of different charts so that you can incorporate this in your basic concept. And after that, you write the method. Method includes the data set and you will describe the source of data set. Next, how many rows and how many columns. And what are your research questions come based upon this data set. Those things you can write down. After that, you can go for the result section. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, everybody. Now I am closing the session. You finish your analysis by Wednesday.